How you go as?
Dennis, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Dennis. What do we got here, Dennis?
This is our new C8 package. Comes with flash tune, so it's the first tuned C8 Corvette Supercharged by ProCharged. For the P1X head unit. Air and water intercoolers.
Hey guys, Clay Bryant here with Bryant Brothers. So I got Mr. Dennis here from ProCharged.
How you doing?
This is the world's first ProCharged C8 Corvette, right?
Correct. With a bench flash tune also.
That's
one of
pretty
the first ones to be bench flashed.
Yeah, I know these kind of had a little problem with trying to get into the ECMs.
Yeah, the piggyback systems we were using was just, it's a little bit cumbersome and tough, but we finally got down to where we could bench flash it, and it really fixed a lot of the things going on. So.
That's awesome, yeah. So so they've been driving this car around the country, kind of introducing it to everybody in shops and stuff like that, and they stopped by today to show us. So we're gonna go for a ride. Stay tuned. So what trim level is this?
This is a Z51 with a lot of the other options. It's got a lot of convenient stuff in it. It's like the cameras and stuff you got are totally different.
Like the PDR?
Yeah.
Okay,
rears,
sweet.
front.
That's awesome. Did y'all have to go through like the break-in procedures?
No.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty good, yeah. So this one's on, you said 7 pound?
It's 7.5 pounds.
7.5 pounds.
And our high output kit's 5 PSI.
Okay. Flash tune, man, that is awesome.
It's about 725, 730 at the crank. This one's right around 640 the wheels. But we kind of noticed there's quite a bit of difference between each base tune or each base dyno than there is between each car. So
right.
We're definitely always looking for 45% gain.
Oh yeah, for sure. Definitely awesome, especially driving it around and just showing people that it's reliable. And
that's the thing.
You know, we've already had great luck over the last 10 years with you guys, right, as far as quality and longevity. And I mean, I got people that's got 100,000 miles on the ProCharged cars that we've
right, exactly.
And 60,000 of them have been ProCharged miles. So very reliable for sure. Yeah, man, it drives like a stock car.
Yeah, you can't tell the difference.
Yeah, that is awesome, man.
The clutches are perfect. It's just everything right there. The noise is just right.
Yeah. I mean, you can hear it when you want to hear it, but you're cruising, man. It's quiet.
You can still have a conversation.
Yeah,
that's what I like.
Yeah, 100% for sure. That is so. Is this one got the? Is it helical cut gears or no?
Helical cut gears, okay. P1X head unit, so it's an upgrade to the base kit.
Yep.
No polish or nothing on back there. It's all just set and finished back there.
Right.
This one we did the plain aluminum intake. It's got the carbon fiber options on it for the intake cover and the trunk panels. So.
Right. Yep. So these are so water to air intercooled. Then.
Correct. Yeah. Water to air intercooler. Heat extractors on this driver's side, and the vent kind of matches the factory radiator on the passenger side.
Gotcha. So you know what kind of intake temps or anything that y'all see normally?
We're seeing about 5 degrees above ambient air temperature. Yeah.
That's a very efficient intake, for sure.
What else is funny? We're getting about 26.7 miles to the gallon.
What?
Yep.
Wow.
And we still have the V4 part set up to where it's an Easter egg. All you have to do is just turn on your cruise control. You don't have to set it, just turn it on.
Right.
And that functions back in play.
Oh, man.
So when you're on the freeway, you still drop down to your 4-cylinder mode and pick up your gas mileage.
That is awesome. That is awesome.
There you go. That's the nicest road to put a pole on.
It is, man. That's why we bought this. Let's talk a little bit about cost and maintenance and stuff on this kid. So what was the retail on this kid?
It's $18,498.
Okay.
And that's going to be the stage 2 kit with 7.5 PSI.
You have to take the ECU out.
Ship it to us.
Ship it to you. Okay. To have it flashed.
Have it been flashed. Yeah, it's about a 5-day turnaround time. We'll hand it back to you. So you're really not down that long, especially, it's a 2-day install.
Right.
So you figure pull it, ship it.
Yep.
By the time you're done with the install, get everything buttoned up, we should have it back to you.
15, 16-hour install. So that sounds great. I really appreciate you guys coming by and talking to us and taking the time.
Well, we really appreciate you guys being here. We look at it as like a business partnership.
Yeah, it is too.
Hey,
it takes both of us. I can't tell you how many times I've had to call in and had tons of questions. So you guys have always been super honest and very helpful. So we appreciate that.
Well, we're very proud of our tech guys and our sales guys and all the people there that answer phones. They're probably some of the most polite people I've ever met in my life.
Hey, they really are. Hey, that's one of the main reasons why we push a product.
Right, we actually answer the phones.
Yeah,
that's amazing.
Hey, that's a big one. So we appreciate you guys.
Thanks, guys.